Towards the end of the year, China showed off its latest weapons prototypes. China deliberately showed off 2 aircraft that appeared to be new and sophisticated during the day, and this had never been done before.
This suspicion arose when blurry videos and photos circulated online showing 2 Chinese military aircraft with stealth characteristics Friday 12/27/2024. The 2 aircraft flying over the Chengdu area were suspected to be China's most sophisticated aircraft. The shape of the aircraft without a tail strengthens the suspicion that this aircraft has stealth capabilities and long range. From the videos and photos circulating, the 2 aircraft were accompanied by a Chengdu J-20S fighter aircraft with 2 seats that functioned as a chase aircraft. The location and date of the various images circulating could not be verified, most likely near the Chengdu Aircraft Cooperation Factory airfield because the J-20 was involved. So far, there has been no official comment from the Chinese Ministry of Defense or state media.